some of you guys feel safer alone in nature than you do when you're surrounded by people. And because of this, people have concluded that you are cold, you're distant, you're mean, you don't like people, and that's not the truth, okay? I see people here who have been broken by the hands of the people they trusted, and now you don't just give everyone access to you. You're much more careful with yourself, okay? So people might try to tell you something else about you, but you know your truth. You've fallen in the arms that were meant to protect you. You know, you got wounded badly, terribly so, by the people you trusted. And now you don't just let anybody in easily. Sorry. And also, people must learn to mind their own business, okay? We're not going to be in this world to worry about who is doing this or who is saying that about me. Right now, you are minding your business, and you can only wish that people do the same. But if people don't want to mind their business, then it doesn't have to affect you. Life goes on. Life goes on. Okay? You do not dislike people. You just don't give everyone access to you. And those are two different things. Because you also do understand that the real ones will know you. And you don't have to explain yourself to everybody. Okay? Yeah. That's what I want to say. I love you.